class, today we're going to make a poster, make a safety poster. So it's something similar with your Get Smart Plus 4 109, but we are going to use a different website to make your poster today, so you're going to learn about it. But before that, you're going to look at page 109, where you have to draw a picture of a beach with people on a piece of white card. So think about what people should and shouldn't do at the beach. Write sentence using should and shouldn't. So color in your drawings and write the title beach safety at the top of the card. So for example, you should wear sunscreen at the beach. You shouldn't play with matches. So you use the words should and shouldn't, okay, to write to draw your poster. Okay, so that's your poster that you draw. But today we're not going to draw using your drawing block. So today we're going to use a different website to create your poster. So at first you have to go to Google search. You go and Google search Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Canva. So you go to this web page, click in. So when you click in, they will ask you to sign up an account. So you will choose sign up with Google. Okay, sign up with Google. Use your MOE account to sign up. Since teacher already signed up, so I just need to click in. Okay, so I will come into this website. Okay, so if you are new, you have to sign up using your MOE account. Okay, so then you will saw the interface like this. Okay, so when you go in, how do you do make poster by using this website? I'm going to teach you step by step. Okay, so for example, you look at here. This is your web page, right? Canva web page, right? So you just search, you type safety poster and search. Okay, so you will be able to see that there are a lot of sample over here. You can choose anyone that you like to modify. So there are a lot of example here. Choose anyone that you like. So for example, that's the one that I chose. So once I have chose, for example, once I have chose let's say I choose this one. So once I have chose, I just need to click it, then it will come up. Okay, but that's not the one that I'm going to choose. Just showing you how to take this poster to modify. So close it first. So let's say I'm going to take this. So this is the poster that I've chose. Okay, so you just, for example, you don't want this picture, you can choose over here. You can upload your own picture over here, or just drag here and put it on this poster. So let's say I don't have any picture, so you can search for photo over here. You can type safety. Okay, any photo that you want, you just click and you just type and search. So let's say you want this picture, you just click, oh here, there, pop, it will come up. So you just drag it and make it smaller. Just you see the arrow, you just drag to any size that you want and then drag it to any place that you want. Okay, but I don't want this, so I just delete it. Okay, so any pictures, or you don't want pictures, you can choose like elements, so it will be somewhat like your clip art or emoji. So let's say I want to choose this one. Okay, this picture, so I will put it here, and then this one I just delete it. This one also delete it, I don't want it. So, and then I will choose this picture as well. So just drag it to anywhere that you like. You can choose any pictures actually that you want. Okay, so or you don't want mask, you want something else picture, something else, you just type it here and search. So that will show you. Okay, so for example, I want okay, what else? Okay. Okay, so let's say this one, put it here. Oh, don't want. If you don't want, then you delete. You can choose any photo that you like. Okay, for example, the background color, I don't like the background color. Just click the black background color. You can see is there is red color over here, right? Okay, so you just click it and then choose any color that you would like to change. You can see that the color is changing. Okay, so you can change to any color that you like, or any color that you think that would be a match, that will be matching. Okay, so let's say this is the color that I want, so that's all. Just click it, and then let's say the text also, I want to change it, so I don't want this text, I delete it first. Okay, so I click the button text over here, text. You can choose any type of font that you like. Okay, let's say I like this one. You just click once, boom, it will come up. So you just drag it, so type your sentence. For example, you should wear your mask. Okay, so just drag it to anywhere that you like. Okay, you should wear your mask. So this one, you can delete the words that you don't want. Okay, so here also, if you don't want this font, you can delete it. Just press the button, or you want to use the same font, you can just change the words lah. Okay, but if you don't want this font, you can do it like teachers. Okay, choose any one that you like. For example, this one. Okay, here is it. But you don't like the color, right? Let's say you want to change the color, you just press it up here, change to any color that you like. Okay, so like for example, this one, stay home. Drag it, make it bigger. The font is too big, right? So you can make it smaller. Choose the size of the font that you want. See? stay home. Then this another word, stay safe. Okay, so this one also too big, right? So make it smaller. Still too big, smaller again. Okay, smaller again, until you adjust it until the one that you think is suitable. If you don't like this color, you can change it again. So change to any color that you prefer. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Okay, and if you still think that it's empty, you can add on some more other things. Okay, for example, corona. Oh, that's the virus. Okay, so you put it here. Down here, drag it. So choose any one that you like. So this one, maybe you like this one. Okay, so put it here. Okay, you just adjust it only. Let's say you don't like this one, you just drag it and delete it. When to let it stay like that, then you just do it like this. Okay, and then you want to change the color, you can change any color that you want. So as you can see over here. Okay, so you can explore with this app. Actually, it's easy to make a poster using this website. And you don't want this kind of poster, actually you can click background. So over here, background. Okay, you can change to any background that you liked. For example, you just click this one. You see the background will be changed. You change to the one that you like. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so this one I can adjust it a bit. Okay, so that will be different one. Okay, so you can explore with it. Okay, explore with this website actually. So you might do a better one. Okay, so that's very easy. So let's say you just take a few minutes or 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can make a good poster using this Canva website. So after you have done, you can click this 3 bullet button at your upper top right hand corner. You just press it. So when you press it, you press the button download. So download as PNG format. You can choose any format, JPEG also, but it's better, I suggest you all to choose PNG format. Okay, it will be better. So just let it be, the rest don't change it. So you download, press the button download. So they are preparing your design and downloading the poster. So save inside your computer. Okay, done. So when you open the file, here is it. Here's your poster. That is teacher example. The simple one, actually you can make a better one. There are still space, right? So or you can write something. You should wear your mask. You shouldn't go outside. Something else that is related. Okay, because the poster that you're going to make today is about safety poster. So it's not must be coronavirus. It could be other safety precautions. As long as it's a poster regarding safety, that will do. So after you have downloaded this poster, right? You have made your poster. You have to send this poster to the assignment task that I opened in Google Classroom. So you have I think the due date is next week, so you have almost like 1 week time to complete your work. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoy with this website and enjoy with Canva.